Hi, I'm Mia. Thank you for watching the video of my identity digital project. My Chinese name is Tao Mengjiao, studying in the TESOL program in Western University, based on the course called Social Approaches to Language Learning and Teaching. I'm going to share my understanding concerning my second language acquisition experience and my identity. As Norton 2011 mentioned, 3 characteristics of identity are related to second language acquisition. Identity is multiple, changing, and a site of struggle. I found it's true that my identity changed a lot over time and between places. After I graduated from university, my identity changed from an undergraduate student to a kindergarten teacher working in a bilingual kindergarten. In other words, when I was a student, I considered myself as a second language learner who was not necessary to master English. However, when I was working in the kindergarten, I became the mediator between the foreign teacher and Chinese children. It required me to use the second language fluently so that the foreign teacher can have a better communication with Chinese children. Since I realized that I was not qualified to be a second language teacher, I decided to study in TESOL program. Because of my integrative motivation, I made significant progress in learning English. After all, improving the level of my English allows me to understand more about the community and communicate with native speakers so that I have the chance to engage in the community. Now, my identity is also a multiple at the same time. As a graduate student, my instrumental motivation makes me learn English so that I have the ability to comprehend the theoretical knowledge. As a second language teacher in the future, my instrumental motivation makes me to learn English so that I can become an advanced second language user to teach students. During this program, I have learned both theoretical and practical knowledge, which are useful for me to form a class and teach students. For example, the knowledge enables me to help those children who cannot master the second language very well. Duff 2002 pointed out that second language learners might keep silence to avoid being laughed at. However, if they do not engage in the practice, they will be unable to make investment in the environment of second language learning. To solve this problem, I can ask second language learners to make a small group with native speakers. To finish the assignment, they have to speak up and use the second language frequently because their integrative motivation makes them desire to communicate with others by using second language. Also, drawing their attention is a good way to help them acquire second language. Since Yu 2005 noticed that characterized guess as a kind of embodied intention, it not only helps students pay more attention on second language learning, but also enables them to understand what I am talking about. Here are the references that I have already used.